So, welcome to another vlog. Today we are driving this VW Polo TDI turbocharged diesel engine, 1.2 liter, 2012 model. So, let us start with the boot. The typical German brand thing. The boot is 280 liters, decently sized according to a hatchback, but it eats up the second row space. Here is the spare wheel of the car, which is not an alloy, because all the wheels are not an alloy on this car. This is a smaller size wheel, 14 inch. The stock wheels are 16 inch, but the spare wheel is 14 inch. This is all the equipment to change the tire in emergency. Rear defogger, rear wiper, rear washer fluid, high mounted stop lamp, कोई spoiler treatment नहीं है. Tail lights halogen indicators, all lights are halogen क्योंकि 2012 model है. Badging and no rear parking sensors. Fuel lid where the diesel goes. Body color door handles, chrome door handles नहीं है. Here's how the interior looks. Beige treatment is there. The diesel engine is making a lot of noise. So, these ORVMs do not come with the auto fold function, but are electrically adjustable from inside the cabin. Indicators. This is how the car looks from the front. Halogen headlights, fog lamps, but they do not work properly somehow. It is making a lot of noise. This is the grille. This is the rear front bumper, which has a nice treatment. This is how the car looks from outside. It is making a lot of noise. It needs some refinement. So let's get in. Doors open wide enough. Ingress and egress is not that good. Door pockets are small. Chrome door handles. Rear seat space is really an issue on this car. As you can see, just enough legroom for my knees. I am 5'8", and under thigh support is also decent for a man of my size. Headroom is also not that good. This car is very fun to drive car. This is how the interior looks. The interior looks very decent and rugged. Okay, not that stylish, but it looks decent. Door pockets, no scooped out seat backs. Adjustable headrest, adjustable headrest at the rear passenger also. This does not open. I think the rear seats fold. The rear seats fold in 60-40 split, so it can increase the boot space. Let me fix it back. There is a bottle holder also. 3 passengers cannot sit comfortably because there is a huge hump. 2 passengers can sit comfortably if they are not that big enough, because the rear space is really an issue because of the boot. As boot space was increased to cut down the rear space. Let's get in front. No keyless entry, was 2012 model. Door pockets can fit 1 liter water bottle. Little space is here also. Window controls. All windows are one touch up down, and it is a child control for windows. Lock and unlock button. Chrome door handles. This is to adjust outside ORVMs. as you can see. This is how the interior in the front looks. Steering wheel is a little big for my liking. Volkswagen logo. Wiper stock. Indicator stock. This is for headlamps, which are currently on. This is for headlight leveling switch. See, and you can browse through this MID with this. So let's check. This is my average speed. Currently I was driving very slow and the car is standing from quite a time. I don't know what it is. Temperature, my current speed. Okay. This is the speedometer, tachometer. This is to set the clock. टाइम चेंज कर दिया मैंने. टाइम चेंज हो चुका है भाई, अपने आप सेट कर लिया. दिस इज द इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम विच हैज़ अ वेरी नाइस साउंड क्वालिटी. This has a nice sound quality. It comes with a CD player, and these are the AC controls, which are manual, no climate control. The cubby space here, ashtray, typical German thing, cigarette lighter. And these are one cup holder. This is the glove box of the car. So it is decently sized. And gear lever, which has a quite slick shifting, as you can see. Manual handbrake. 2012 model है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. But the real thing lies while driving this car, as it is a very fun to drive car. Okay, so these are the no dead pedal on offer. Only 3 pedals. This is to open the hood of the car. Here is the seat adjustment, recline angle. इससे recline angle set होता है. Here is the lever, electric adjustment here. So the main fun of this car is in driving. This is the key of the car, the flip key. और current Polo models में भी keyless entry नहीं आती, उसमें भी flip key ही आती है. And there is a typical German brand thing. Press the unlock button for a second and all the windows roll down, and press the lock button. Wait for a second. All the windows roll up. Also, the third button is for the boot, which unlocks the boot but doesn't, no electronic tailgate. And it can be simply locked. Let's start driving.